Alright guys, I want to go into how ridiculous I'm being. I am on the Parker Strip below Havasu. I'm actually doing some photography, and I don't know if I need that. I'll try without it. Whatever. Literally, this is what I carry in my truck. A dock demon in a really small little thing, but I hiked all the way down to the water because I want to do some photography. And this is really steep, as you can probably tell. Yeah, really steep, but got all the way to the water, and there's like a 10-pound flathead that is literally swimming back and forth everywhere, coming up to my light, everything. So I hiked all the way back up to get what you see here. And I have no bait. I don't know what I'm going to do to try and catch him, but hopefully I can figure something out, because this would be ridiculous if I catch this flathead and it's just hanging out all the way down here in this little rocky area. I don't know if he's still here, but I can check. Yep, he's over there. So, I don't know. Wish me luck. I doubt I'm going to catch anything. Alright, I see some small bluegill or something. So, I'm just going to see if, this might almost be too big. I don't know if I have the smaller one set up. There's one with his tail gone. Let's see if I can grab this. Take off this little broken piece. Put this little thing on. It's like the smallest little tube jig ever. Okay. Nice and ugly. The hook is nice and bent for me. Something with this. I highly doubt it, but never know. Alright, there's my little setup on a dock demon. Wish that boat didn't swing through here. Now everything's super murky. Yeah, you can see I was doing photography. See him anymore, Mr. Flathead. See a really small little bait fish right here. Scared him. As I try and not die here. And I died. Alright, feet are wet. That flathead did not move a muscle. He's literally just flash cruising over here. At least 2 or 3. Alright guys, you get creative. I found little shrimp floating. He's still alive. Caught this little tiny green sunfish. And now I have bait. So now I have to re-rig again to try and catch something on this little guy. That'll catch a little 10-pounder, I bet. Alright guys, let's see what I have here. That could possibly work. Small lead. Let's do it. Probably just a normal Carolina. Got a little 7-aught hook. Scariest part of all is that it's 10-pound everything. I literally don't have anything other than 10, so this is gonna be a little iffy. Alright, I see the flathead too. He's like right here. As if right on cue. Change this. I scared him. Where'd he go? Come on back. Come back, little guy.
Alright, so at this point I was pretty convinced that my light was actually scaring that flathead away, making him not want to bite. And yeah, this is me turning the light off and a timer to show you just how long it took for him to bite.
Well, I hooked him. I don't know if I'm gonna catch him. Oh man.
20 minutes later.
That was absolutely ridiculous. Here's the green sunfish he ate right there. I'm gonna give it to him. No, come here. Go in there. He just swallowed it too. That's yours, bro. Yep. I just caught this on a dock demon. And I wasn't fishing. I just happened to always keep a dock demon in my truck. And I caught it on a 10-pound test. Literally caught a shrimp to use, like this little thing right here. Probably cannot even see it in the video. Tiny little shrimp, caught a green sunfish. Tied on a bigger hook with that green sunfish. And caught this dude. Ugh, that is ridiculous. Alright guys, I'd say that's a wrap. I already packed up. I'm not going to top that or do that probably ever again. Again, little tiny dock demon, 10-pound test, Carolina rig. Always leave this in your vehicle. You never know when you need it. Oh my goodness. Now just to get out of here. That's Giant Hill. Oh. I'm gonna come here during the day just to show you guys what the heck I just did. Alright guys, here's daytime of this spot, so you can see. Gotta hike a little bit, try and not fall. And right there, my little rock section right there is where I was. The water looks a little bit higher now, but that's it. Caught the flathead literally like just where that tree is, basically. Just sitting there. Took me like all over here for a few minutes. Good time.